FHA loans are making a comeback. Now more homeowners are taking advantage of these government-backed loans. If you're in the housing market, we're here to tell you how you can get prepared. Joining me to help us get there is Bill Dawley with Amegy Bank's mortgage division. Good morning, sir. Thank you so much for coming in.
Good morning, Zach. Thanks for the time. Appreciate it.
We appreciate your time. Okay, for people not familiar with what an FHA loan is, what is it? Let's define it.
FHA loan started back in 1934. FDR started it during the Great Depression. It was an ability for people to get into their homes with very little down payment. So it's been in existence for 89 years now, and it's still a major player in the mortgage industry.
And that within itself is one of the benefits.
Without a doubt. It's only 3.5% down. You can get into your dream home. And most recently, back in February and March, the government lowered the mortgage insurance premium of 30 basis points. So what does 30 basis points mean? If you're borrowing $400,000, it's $100 a month. So considerable. And so we're seeing, the industry is seeing a tick up in originations now in the FHA mortgage.
What are 4 ways people can prepare for an FH loan?
Well, without a doubt, you need to know what your credit report looks like. You can go online, free credit report through either creditkarma.com or Mint, or you can get a free credit report every year annually, and take a look at it. Your FICO score, which is your credit score, look at that. That's important, but I would also look at, are there any collections you have that you were unaware of? We do a lot of loans, and people get surprised. Oh, I didn't know I had a collection for this dollar amount, and it can affect your credit score along the way. So look at it, and then while you're trying to apply for a loan, kind of take a step back. Take a look at your credit cards. Are you making timely payments? But really take a study and look into your credit report. Second of all, start gathering documents.
Yeah.
It's vitally important to document, as a mortgage banker, it's vitally important to document your pay. So paycheck stubs, W-2s, tax returns, again, bank statements, anything that we know the bank, the mortgage company is going to look for. Also, we're talking about FHA loans here, but there are some other dynamic loan programs out there. Fannie Mae has a Home Ready. Freddie Mac, which is another agency loan, conventional loan, has the Home Possible. Very little down payment and such. And personally, at Amegy Bank, we have a dynamic CRA, affordable housing program, and we're very proud of that along the way. We do whatever we can to participate in the dream, home ownership.
Yeah, house cleaning, getting organized, and in doing so, there are so many resources out there. This is an exciting time, but it also can be daunting.
Without a doubt, it can be intimidating. Yeah. Especially for the first time and everything. And I'm very proud of the professional staff that we have. We understand that. We've all probably been through it at one time or not. And so to be informative. And keep in mind, too, is sometimes you might hear the word no, but it's not really no, but it's not now.
Right.
So
that's great perspective.
Yeah. So because at that point in time, it might not be best for you to afford this home that you're out there. But the greatest thing about talking to an Amegy Bank loan officer or what have you, is they will guide you through the process. They will not be intimidating. They'll give you good guidance. So again, maybe not today, 6 months from now, 7 months, but we'll
on how to get there.
Without a doubt. And communicate. Communication is the key.
It's all about communication. It starts with a dialogue, a conversation. And we so much appreciate having this conversation with you this morning, Bill.
No, and if you have any questions, reach out, amegybank.com. We have a very informative website and everything else. We have multiple loan officers throughout the city of Houston. I will say one thing too, the FHA loan limits today are 472,000-ish. And so that's going up. And so take a look at it. We're here for everybody.
All great information. We, of course, will put all of this information inside this story on our website, clicktohouston.com. Bill, thank you, sir.
Thanks, Doc. Appreciate the time.